changing the batteries in a wireless smoke. Turn the smoke, quarter turn, counterclockwise. Remove it from its base. Base will be mounted on the wall or the ceiling. There are the batteries. CR123 lithium batteries. Use Duracell or Energizers. Negative, positive, replace the batteries in the proper mode. On the base, you'll find an arrow. On the smoke detector, you'll find another arrow. Line both arrows up. Small pressure down. Turn. The smoke's locked on. Make sure you always call the monitoring company prior to taking the unit off its base.